If you are in the mood for muffins, and who isn't, they're always so good, you're going to love what we have for you next.
That's what's in the oven tonight as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Brunch. Who wants brunch? Everybody. You're going to love this recipe for brunch, breakfast, weekend, weekday, whatever. Some bacon cheddar muffins. Let's do it. For this one, you're going to need self-rising flour, some sugar, bacon, cheddar cheese, unsalted butter, buttermilk, an egg, and some vanilla. Start with your flour in a bowl, and I'm going to add buttermilk to this, my melted butter, an egg, a little bit of sugar, some vanilla, about a cup of cheddar cheese. That may have been more than a cup, but who's counting? And this is bacon. I cooked it ahead of time and chopped it up, and we're gonna throw that in and save a little bit of the bacon for topping later. And now we mix. Super easy. I've got my mix all well blended. I like to use a little ice cream scooper. And for this one, I'm not even gonna use my big oven. I'm gonna use my little toaster oven. So I've got these little aluminum pans that I'm gonna use. I sprayed it with a little bit of cooking spray. And now we just drop a scoop in each. And then remember that extra bacon and cheese? Gonna add just a little bit more bacon at the top and a little more cheese. And we're just gonna bake this 400 degrees in the oven about 30 minutes. And that's it. It's that easy. Bacon cheddar muffins. If I can do it, you can do it. I'll see you next time. I'm Belkys Nure. Bon appetito.
Works for me. I like that. For more information on this and other recipes, check out our website at WSVN.com. Click on Entertainment and then click on Bite. And for the latest and greatest on all things culinary, you, of course, want to check out Belkys' Bite blog. That's also on our website.
Those look really good.
I always like taking the top off it, and then you can grill the middle of it and put some butter on it. Yeah, it's perfect.
Oh.
Little tricks from a muffin connoisseur.